95.
95.
95.
Conjonction 2.
Conjunctions 2.
Conjunctions 2.
Depuis quand ne travaille-t-elle plus?
Since when is she no longer working?
Since when is she no longer working?
Depuis son mariage?
Since her marriage?
Since her marriage?
Oui, elle ne travaille plus depuis qu'elle s'est mariée.
Yes, she is no longer working since she got married.
Yes, she is no longer working since she got married.
Depuis qu'elle s'est mariée, elle ne travaille plus.
Since she got married, she's no longer working.
Since she got married, she's no longer working.
Depuis qu'ils se connaissent, ils sont heureux.
Since they have met each other, they are happy.
Since they have met each other, they are happy.
Depuis qu'ils ont des enfants, ils sortent rarement.
Since they have had children, they rarely go out.
Since they have had children, they rarely go out.
Quand téléphone-t-elle?
When does she call?
When does she call?
Pendant le trajet?
When driving?
When driving?
Oui, en conduisant.
Yes, when she is driving.
Yes, when she is driving.
Elle téléphone en conduisant.
She calls while she drives.
She calls while she drives.
Elle regarde la télévision en repassant.
She watches TV while she irons.
She watches TV while she irons.
Elle écoute de la musique en faisant ses devoirs.
She listens to music while she does her work.
She listens to music while she does her work.
Je ne vois rien lorsque je n'ai pas de lunettes.
I can't see anything when I don't have glasses.
I can't see anything when I don't have glasses.
Je ne comprends rien quand la musique est trop forte.
I can't understand anything when the music is so loud.
I can't understand anything when the music is so loud.
Je ne sens rien lorsque j'ai un rhume.
I can't smell anything when I have a cold.
I can't smell anything when I have a cold.
Nous prendrons un taxi s'il pleut.
We'll take a taxi if it rains.
We'll take a taxi if it rains.
Nous ferons le tour du monde si nous gagnons à la loterie.
We'll travel around the world if we win the lottery.
We'll travel around the world if we win the lottery.
Nous commencerons le repas s'il n'arrive pas bientôt.
We'll start eating if he doesn't come soon.
We'll start eating if he doesn't come soon.